Hello everyone, I'm Jim Longworth and welcome to another edition of Triad. Today coming to you once again from the beautiful Cedar Botanical Garden in Kernersville. We'll tell you more about them later on, and what could be better to talk about than partnerships that help kids. And we have three experts in that field. My good buddy on the right, Griff Shuler with the Daggett Shuler Law Firm, and he brought two special guests, and they've been here before too. Michael Amadon and Mike Kennedy are co-founders of Beyond Sports NC. Good to see you all.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Michael, I'm going to start with you. What's the mission of Beyond Sports in case somebody hasn't heard about it so far? Very, very quickly.
Yeah, so our mission is to create intentional opportunities for kids to play sports. We do that by providing access to sports through opportunities, equipment, and resources to low-income, underserved areas.
Right, because a lot of these schools just can't afford sports equipment, that kind of thing. Now, something that's fairly new, I think, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, it's called, you sent me an email about it, Operation Triad Play. What's that all about?
Operation Triad Play is a partnership that we developed with the police department. We started in Greensboro by providing sports equipment to police cruisers. To have the sports equipment in their cars when they're out on patrol or they're responding to a domestic call that kids are involved. It's an opportunity for police officers to connect with kids using the sports equipment.
Yeah, pick up on that a little bit, Mike. I mean, some people might be wondering of all the things you can do to help kids, and you do a lot, why use sports equipment as sort of the connector between kids, the community, police? Why that?
Well, we use equipment to connect in everything that we do. I mean, it's the thing that you can just put out there that forms that instant bond, that instant connection.
Don't even need any language.
You don't even need any language. It breaks down all barriers and things, and it just gives us an opportunity for me and you to create a relationship through the use of a ball.
And especially good when you've got police officers doing that kind of a connectivity, because that sets up a good relationship long term.
Yeah, absolutely. And part of our goal is to really get that potential first interaction between a child and an officer to be a real positive one.
Right, Griff, so I'm wondering, why do you and David and your team at Daggett Shuler, why are you involved with this particular program with Beyond Sports?
But this is an exciting partnership that we have. Daggett Shuler is the key sponsor with Beyond Sports, who's supported by Fusion, which most people in the community are familiar with. But this is an exciting program where we've actually got bags of balls and chalk and other things that are being placed in the squad cars of the police departments around the Triad. So it involves the Greensboro Police Department, the Winston-Salem Police Department, and we're having a big announcement with the High Point Police Department, where we're physically putting the bags of all these equipment in the squad cars of the police officers, so when they are out in the community, they can immediately connect up with the kids in the community through the use of the equipment.
I just think that's great, and this is something that in a sense is not new to you and David, because you've helped with backpacks and things like that. Quickly, before we run out of time, how important is that kind of partnership with folks like with Daggett Shuler?
It's fantastic to have even more people within the community and sponsorship to these types of programs. It's just been a really great partnership, and we're really excited about what they're going to do within the community.
You ever need volunteers, or?
We always need volunteers.
All right, well, let me put something up on screen for donations and volunteers. BeyondSportsNC.com is the website that you can go to. And also, if you ever need the services of Griff and David and his team, you can go to DaggettShulerLaw.com, or you can call them directly at 336-724-1234. I can't tell the three of you, I mean, we kid around sometimes about stuff, but this is a very, very important program, helping the kids, helping them connect into the community. And I just appreciate what all of you are doing. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And
Thanks, Jim.
I'll thank David later on, because he's going to be on the roundtable, but he's involved in this too. We'll be right back after this.